with her weak stepmother and Sue as their. They made her work in the house like a servant. Okay? Nakasabay?
Yan yung pala.
Yeah, nag-English. Nag-Tagalog pati. Si Cinderella ay nakatira sa kanyang salbahing lugar. Hindi na lang. English na lang.
Tanong mo kung nakikinig.
Nakikinig.
Apo.
One day, the king invited her stepmother and stepsister to the royal hall
Hindi siya
in
pawisan.
the palace. Stepsister were very excited.
Wow,
Ang galing!
You know?
Nakasabay?
Apo.
Cinderella was left alone in the house. When the day of the ball arrived,
Wow.
she cried near the fireplace.
Wala na ako nang gano'n. Yung kumaking halit ka.
Tangan ganda nga.
Yawa ka.
Suddenly, a fairy appeared before her. I'm your fairy godmother.
Oh.
Palakpakan.